That the Hatol ng Bayan 2025 is fast approaching. The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, has successfully printed the ballots to be used 10 days earlier than their supposed target, which is March 25. Luisa Erispe has the details.
The Commission on Elections has successfully printed the ballots to be used for the Hatol ng Bayan 2025. This despite the unexpected order by the Supreme Court to halt the printing process last January. According to COMELEC, as a matter of fact, they are 10 days ahead of schedule on their supposed target of March 25.
Bagamat nagkaroon tayo ng aberya nung nagsisimula tayo ng printing, tatandaan po ng lahat nag-print tayo, nag-start tayo officially January 27. Napatunayan natin na kaya natin gawin ng isang bagay bagamat madaming balakid.
In total, the COMELEC, NPO, and Miro Systems Company Limited have printed over 68.5 million ballots. This was supposed to be 71 million, but COMELEC did not print the ballots for the parliamentary elections in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or BARM. The COMELEC believes the NPO had a big role in their success.
Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit tayo naging successful dito ay dahil sa strategy na inadapt natin na kung saan meron tayong HP printers, dalawa yun, at yung naandito ay Canon printers ng NPO na 4 naman. So lahat-lahat ng makina na ginamit natin ay 6 at meron kami mahigit 1,000 na tauhan upang mas mapabilis lang ang printing.
The ballots will still undergo verification. Once the ballot is declared effective, it will automatically be reprinted. The verification process stands at 50% and the COMELEC targets to finish all printing by April.
Kahit may isang presinto na may problema o nagkaroon ng isang defective ballot, ay nire-reprint din kaagad ng National Printing Office at ng HP printers sapagkat gusto natin on the same day kung ano yung nakita na dapat i-reprint a day before ay kaagad i-reprint. Ang verification ay matatapos mga April 20 to 21. Sa kasalukuyan, may almost 50% na po tayo na nabe-verify ng mga balota.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.